Welcome back, students. This is the last section for Unit 9. It is Section 7, Reading. Now let's look at Google Classroom. It says we need to read the strategy and complete exercises B, C, and D following the instructions. So the reading strategy is talking about summarize, which is a good technique for checking if you understand what you heard or read. Here are some steps for summarizing a text. Highlight the most important ideas. Do not include all the specific details. Just keep the most important ones. Do not include opinions or extra information in a summary. In a summary, you don't need to put in your opinion or anything extra. So that's the strategy. So exercise B says to read the text. So I'm going to play the audio. You need to read along in your book.
Reading. Activity B. Read the text and underline the key details. The Global Citizen Festival. There are over 1 billion poor people. They live in many countries around the world. Many people believe that it is everyone's responsibility to help end this problem. The Global Citizen Festival is a large event that was created to raise awareness on poverty, help collect money, and try to convince people to make decisions that will aid poor people everywhere. The Global Citizen Festival started in 2012 and has taken place every year since then. It is usually in New York City, in the U.S., but people can watch the festival on television and over the internet. There are usually many performances by popular musicians, as well as other celebrities. One way that the Global Citizen Festival tries to eliminate poverty is by getting promises from governments, corporations, and non-profit organizations to work on different initiatives. Aid can come in many forms. People can take action, give money, or share knowledge. The festival focuses on initiatives in 3 areas. First, many projects supported by the Global Citizen Festival are related to health. The people at the festival want to help make sure that all people have access to vaccinations and other important health services. They want to eliminate diseases like polio. According to the people at the Global Citizen Festival, improving access to health services will help people get out of poverty. Sanitation initiatives are about keeping places clean and healthy. In many countries, waste gets into water that is used for growing food or drinking. This can make people very sick. It is a big problem in poor areas. According to the Global Citizen Festival, 2.5 billion people live in places without good sanitation. At the festival in 2015, several governments announced that they would give money to build toilets and water systems to help sanitation. The people behind the Global Citizen Festival believe that an important way to help poor people is to improve education. Governments and other organizations promise to help education in many countries at the festival. According to the Global Citizen Festival, educational initiatives will help millions of children. In 2015,
All right, so the audio cut out. In 2015, 60,000 people went to the Global Citizen Festival. The tickets to the event were free to people who raised awareness on poverty. This was done by sending emails, sharing posts on social media, and sending letters to important people asking them to make decisions that help poor people. In this way, the festival helps get young people involved in making the world a better place. All right. Exercise C. Check the ideas that you could include in a summary of this text. All right, so the Global Citizen Festival is a large event held in New York. Yeah, check. The festival includes many famous people. Check. Number 3, watching the festival over the internet sounds like fun. No, that is an opinion. X. Number 4, the festival focuses on health, sanitation, and education. Very good. Check. Number 5, the polio vaccine is very expensive. That's a no, that's an X. This is an opinion. That's an X. And number 6, the festival is a way to get young people interested in helping poor people. This one, I don't know. You could kind of go almost either way. So this says here, in this way, the festival helps get young people. So you could say yes or no. I would probably say, I don't know. What do you think? Do you think it's a check or do you think it's an X? So mark it a check or mark it an X, and over here, tell me why. Now let's go to D. Read the sentences and circle T for true, F for false. Correct the false statement. So according to the text, there are about 1 million poor people. That is false. The text says over 1 billion. So this is billion with a B, billion. The Global Citizen Festival tries to raise awareness about initiatives. All right, is that what it's doing? Is that a true or a false? All right, the Global Citizen Festival is a large event that was created to raise awareness on poverty, help collect money, and try to convince this. They have initiatives, but the goal is to raise awareness on poverty. So the Global Citizen Festival tries to raise awareness about poverty. That's a false poverty. The Global Citizen Festival started in 2012. Right there, started in 2012. That's true. Mark that true. And then number 4, according to the people at the festival, improving access to health services will help eliminate poverty. Sanitation, diseases. So here we go. Health. According to the people at the Global Citizen Festival, improving access to health services will help people get out of poverty. So yes, it will help eliminate poverty. So mark that a true. Congratulations, you're done. Have a great day.